Hello guys, welcome once again to my page. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make coconut cookies. It is so easy and you can make it at any time. So let's get into this video. Next, I'm going to add my butter. I'm going to add my sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice. Next, I'm going to add here vanilla extract and I'm going to mix everything together. After everything is well mixed, you can go ahead and add your flour. So I'm adding soft flour or all-purpose flour. Next, I'm going to add my desiccated coconut, baking powder, salt, and cinnamon powder. So go ahead and stir and mix everything together. But if it feels like it needs more dough, go ahead and add a half cup of flour in there. So go ahead and stir until it forms like a dough. So this is like the perfect consistency for this recipe. So just like that. Alright guys, so you're doing so well so far. So make sure that you knead this dough for about 2 minutes. And please make sure that you don't over knead it. And also guys, I'm going to list all the ingredients under the description box below, so you can feel free and check it out. So here on a clean surface, I'm going to place a parchment paper on this board. I'm going to add my dough and we're going to roll until it becomes flat. So yeah, so this cookies is actually my favorite. I remember growing up in Ghana, mom used to make cookies like that. And that was like a special treat for all of us. So yeah, sharing this recipe with you guys. I'm super excited guys. So at this point, you can use biscuit cutter or anything that you have to cut these cookies. So I'm using what I have here. So I'm going to cut it into small shape or sizes. It depends on how you want it, guys. So you can cut any sizes that you want. So this is like the perfect size that I want. So I've already put a little bit of my coconut in here and I'm going to dip them in there. Yeah, so I'm going to repeat this process until I get everything done. So while I'm doing this, guys, I've already set my oven in the 350 degrees. That's what we're going to use to bake our cookies. So we are almost done. Everything looks so good. And guys, if you feel like using your Sanka to bake your cookies, feel free and do it. I was making a lot of these cookies, so I have to use my baking tray. So I let this cookie bake for 15 to 20 minutes and oh la la, it's finally done. Look at how beautiful these cookies came out. I really like the fact that it came out so rich and very creamy when you taste it. Let me break one for you guys to see how it looks in the inside. So easy to make and you have all the ingredients in your kitchen, guys, to make these cookies. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, share and follow. Until I see you again, stay safe.